With HeraCeram, with the new 3D system, it reduces the time of firing and reduce the time of application because I can do it in 2 firing only, one of them for 2D and the other one for 3D, and I will get a very good result. I'm Abdelhalim Faris from Egypt. I'm a dental technician studying master degree nowadays, and I'm the owner of the Faris Dental Lab and the Faris Training Center in Egypt. I like the difference in HeraCeram. We have 4 colors of value material to increase the value and brightness. It's a very good idea. And we have a special material for the matrix. Makes the work with HeraCeram very easy for any technician, even the newest technician.